Good afternoon. So I've been to work already and I've got some little bits and bobs to do, so I thought I'd take you with me on my journey. So let's see what happens. There's an awesome video coming out towards the end of the week, so Sunday, which will be What's in the Box challenge. So that's going to be awesome. Make sure you check that out, and then I'll bring you with me on my journey today. Let's see what happens. Adios. We're at the dojo about to collect something because I forgot it yesterday, so we're going in. Ooh. Yum. It's like Fort Knox coming in here. There's like 90 million locks, but that means that we know that it's safe, so that's a good thing. There's an alarm, and we're in the dojo. Woo! That's everything collected. Now it's time to leave. This is my dojo, by the way. So we've got two areas here. Then there's a storage here. And then in the corner over there is a toilet. And then we've got this amazing counter that I had made. Some man custom made it for me. This is my counter. Pretty awesome. It's taken ages to get to this stage though. This hasn't been a quick process. 2 years we've been here officially, and it's taken this long to get to this stage. We've still got lots of like little teething problems like lights and bits and bobs, but I won't bore you with that. There's lots more to do, so watch this space. You'll see it happen. It'll blow up. Look at this for a parking space. Get your car in that. I need to sort something out for my motorcycle, so I've come to this wonderful place. Let's see what happens. Come to visit. Woohoo! Tiger. Elephants!
Elephants.
It's pretty awesome. I'm quite impressed with that. Giraffes!
Nina, do you want a picture with the giraffes? The picture I was doing.
Look how close it is. Wow. Walking giraffes. Look at that. Cheetahs.
That one looks like a
Flamingos. You see that leaf dropping on there? It's a butterfly. Hello. This brings our weekend to an end. It's been an amazing weekend. We went to the zoo, saw chimpanzees, giraffes, lions, tigers, you name it, we saw it. Pretty amazing. I still think petting the goats was the best bit. No, not really. But petting the goats was a highlight. This weekend, we were kind of hit with negative thoughts, and I think it's too easy to get sunken down by them. So think positive and get rid of those negative people. Keep positive. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you Sunday. So there's a challenge video being made this Wednesday, and I'll see you on that challenge video. Adios.